Vishal Varsha Vivekanandan here. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. It's been a long break and I'm excited to be back with a lot of new simple recipes. So before we could start, I would like to thank all my well-wishers and followers who kept checking on my well-being when I was away. And next, I would like to thank my husband, Mr. Vishal. He's been my constant source of support, motivation, and the sole reason for me to come up with this initiative. And he's my backbone. Next, my parents, who have been providing me constant feedback on how to improvise and to come up with better content. This video is extra special for me because we have a celebrity here to cook with us. The young, energetic Miss Shrutika Arjun, the founder of Happy Herbs.
Hey all of you, Shrutika here, founder of Happy Herbs. We deal with skin and hair care products, and I am here for my family friend Varsha. Literally family தான் சொல்லலாம். அவங்களோட என்னோட சின்ன பொண்ணுங்க, பட் அப்படி சமைப்பா. நான் தான் அவகிட்ட கற்றுக்கணும். இன்ஃபேக்ட் அவங்க ஃபேமிலியிலே எல்லாரும் நல்லா சமைப்பாங்க. அவங்க அம்மா வேற லெவல், இவ அதுக்கும் மேலே எல்லாரும் சூப்பராக சமைப்பாங்க. நாங்கள் வந்து we keep on calling up auntie and Varsha for recipes and asking them because their recipes are super. Auntie அந்த சைடில் வந்து இந்த ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் ஐட்டம்ஸ், ஸ்டூ, பிரியாணி அதெல்லாம் பட்டையாக கிளப்புவாங்க. and I really mean it to her, not because she is my friend. You should try it. இவன் இந்த சைடில் வந்து டோட்டலாக அந்த ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் ஸ்டைல், அதாவது வீட்டுக்கு அனுப்பும் போது மை ஹஸ்பண்ட் வில் சே தட் கண்டிப்பாக ஏதோ 5-star ஹோட்டல்லேருந்து பார்சல் காமிச்சிருக்கா ஆர்டர் பண்ணி அந்த மாதிரி ஷீ வில் குக். அண்ட் நாட் ஒன்லி தட், ஏதோ ஒரு சிக்கன் லோஃப் பிரெட் ஷீ மேட் அண்ட் ஷீ சென்ட் அனுக்கு வேறு, அதாவது பத்தாதுங்க. உங்கள் வீட்டில் நீங்கள் அவங்களோட ரெசிபிஸ் எல்லாம் ட்ரை பண்ணும்போது மேக் ஷுர் தட் யூ மேக் இனஃப் குவான்டிட்டி, ஓகேங்களா? அந்த மாதிரி சட்டுன்னு காலி ஆகிடும். அதனால நல்ல வேலை வந்து வர்ஷா வந்து துபாயில் இருக்கா, இல்லாட்டி நாங்கள்லாம் சாப்பிட்டு நல்லா பெருத்து போயிருக்கோம். She is just brilliant. You should try it at home. You will totally love it and you will thank me.
Shrutika, please tell us more about Happy Herbs because I've been using it for more than a year now and I'm totally in love with the product. It's so safe to use and I'm like so confident while using it. So I'm not a big fan of makeup. I believe more in natural and a natural look. Yeah, so I want to hear more from you.
Sure, I'm so happy Varsha really likes Happy Herbs products. So we are exactly what she said only. We are here to promote natural beauty, as in we would like people to fall in love with their own skin and to be comfortable in their own skin. So that's exactly the why that's exactly the reason why we have got into people that confidence of just waking up, washing their face and stepping out with utmost confidence with absolutely no makeup on their face. This is the goal and motto of Happy Herbs and this is what we are totally working towards. All our products are completely organic and the reach that our brand has got is only through organic rave reviews. Like we have reviews, not reviews, I would say testimonies, huge testimonies across the globe from different countries. I don't even know which city that particular country belongs to. So many reviews saying that we used it, thank you so much. My husband complimented me after 5 years. My accident scar has vanished and so many reviews. We are super happy and I'm so happy that from family also we are getting that kind of a feedback. So really thank you so much. Okay, so Varsha, what are we going to cook today?
Today we're going to make green karai chicken, a very simple recipe. You can have it with naan roti.
Okay,
so
her simple also special. Okay, you should try it.
So let's quickly move on to the cooking.
Okay, done.
And I've added 150 ml of curd, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, slightly heat, a pinch of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of maida. So I have let the chicken marinate for 2 hours. So why maida? Because at times while cooking, curd might hurdle. Hence to prevent it from hurtling and for a better creamy texture, I've added maida. 3 cloves, 1 black cardamom, ½ inch cinnamon, ginger julienne 1 teaspoon, garlic finely chopped 1 teaspoon, 1 large onion finely chopped, 50 ml oil, 1 teaspoon butter. So now for the dish we require the green paste. So for the green paste, I have half a cup of mint leaves, 1 cup of coriander leaves and around 8 green chilies. So this green chili is very less on heat, so I've used around 7 to 8. So probably you can use around 4 to 5, or if you want it more spicy, you can increase the amount of green chilies. Fresh cream 3 to 4 tablespoons, garam masala 1 teaspoon, kasuri methi 1 teaspoon finely crushed, and diced capsicum and onion petals. I have ground coriander, mint leaves and green chilies to a smooth paste by adding a little water. Likewise, I have dry roasted all the ingredients under kadai masala powder and I have made a fine powder out of it. Shrutika, so I'm going to start by roasting onions and capsicum in butter on high flame. Okay,
In butter?
In butter, yeah.
Okay. Faster pani kudunga. Sabre.
Okay. We'll start making.
Yeah.
Teaspoon of butter. Add these diced onions and capsicum. Roast on high flame for a minute, just to give it a charred effect. I'm going to remove this in a serving bowl. Next I'm going to add 50 ml oil. I'm going to add 3 cloves, 1 black cardamom, half-inch cinnamon, and I'm going to wait for the spices to sputter. Now I'm going to add 1 large onion that I've finely chopped. So I'm going to saute this on a medium flame till it turns golden brown. Now the onions have turned golden brown. I'm going to add ginger julienne and chopped garlic. I'm going to saute this on a medium flame for like 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add chicken pieces. So I'm going to cook these chicken pieces on a high flame for 2 minutes, and then I'll reduce the flame to medium and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Shrutika, how does it smell?
வேற லெவல் வருஷா. அதை கொஞ்சம் சீக்கிரமா அவங்க ரெடி பண்ணாங்கன்னா சீக்கிரமா நானும் அதை கொட்டிக்கிட்டு என்னோட வயிறு ஹாப்பியா இருக்கும். So Varsha, I have a small doubt, okay? Usually for any non-veg, they say cook on medium flame or on low flame so that it boils. I mean, it softens. But how come you're saying high flame? What is the reason behind that?
So always when I cook the chicken, first I cook it on a high flame for 2 minutes, just to seal the juices, so that the chicken doesn't leave all the moisture out. So when you
note panikkunga, very valid point. I have never heard it until now. I'm going to try it. Okay.
So once
it seals the flavor.
It seals the juices. So by end of the dish, you'll have a nice juicy chicken.
That's why your stuff and all is juicy, no? Yes. All your dishes. Okay.
So yeah, it's been 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame, and now we can add salt to taste. I've ground the green paste.
Okay. Oh, look at the color combination, that yellow with that green. Asha, looks very level. See, your husband is supporting you because he gets the yummiest food to eat every day. So I'm very jealous of Vishal because he gets to taste all this every day.
Okay, so I've added all the ingredients from the green paste to kadai masala. So I'm going to cook this on a medium flame for again 5 to 6 minutes. It's been 5 to 6 minutes and the chicken has been cooking on a medium flame. So now I'm going to reduce it to a low flame. I'm going to add around 50 to 60 ml of water. I'm going to cover the chicken and let it cook till it's completely done. Okay, a quick tip, just in case you're in a hurry and you want to make it fast, you can marinate the chicken with curd turmeric, ginger garlic paste, maida, and also the green paste and the karai masala overnight. So you can mix everything together, marinate it overnight, and then follow the process as it is. So after sauteing the onions and after adding the ginger juliennes and the chopped garlic, you can add the marinated chicken. Cook on high flame for 2 minutes, medium flame for 5 minutes, and then add water and let it cook till the chicken is well done. So the oil has separated well and the chicken is also well done. Now I'm going to add fresh cream, kasuri methi, garam masala. I'm going to mix on high flame for about 1 minute. Finally, I'm going to add the roasted veggies. Mix for another 1 minute on high flame and we are good to serve. Shrutika, so I want you to tell me how it tastes.
I'm waiting to taste. Ever since she put that dollop of butter, I'm just waiting to taste. Most creamiest piece vandirukku. பேச்சே வரலங்க. அவ்வளோ சூப்பராக இருக்கு. நான் once again அதை ரெலிஷ் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் பேசுகிறேன். வர்ஷா அது வரையும் நீ எதாவது பேசும் கிளையன்ஸோட வியூவர்ஸோட. ஏன்னா it's so good. I'm just relishing it. Okay. It's so nice. Now you won't believe it. I'm going to take this entire bowl home and go. And I'm going to apologize to our husband Vishal because I'm going to eat this today fully. And tomorrow she'll make for him. Okay? Deal? Deal. இது வந்து எனக்கு one piece எல்லாம் பத்தாது. அவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்கு. You also try it. You will surely feel the same. Okay, so இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய மவுத் வாட்டரிங் டிஷ்ஷஸ் எல்லாமே வர்ஷா வந்து வச்சுருக்காங்க. அவங்க வந்து அதாவது all her recipes are so special, her dishes are so special, but she has a very easy way to approach it. Okay, so you should really try it and you will know how easy it is and how special it actually tastes and looks. So that's her speciality.
Thank you so much Shrutika for being a part of my video and also please subscribe A Kitchen Love Story for more such videos and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you and take care.